some documentation of the blizzard of 2010. There's one of our snow piles. It's pretty big. Here's our walkway. There's less snow blowing. Good thing for that snowblower. Here's a sled course Les made that we probably won't use for a long time because we can't even get onto the ramp. That's the ramp. It goes down. We were going to build a tunnel. And of course we had to shovel out to the hot tub. Just to give you an idea, this is about up to my waist. And it's only about the width of the shovel. There it is, about halfway up the door. There's another door, it hasn't been shoveled out yet. And another narrow walkway to the hot tub. He's shoveling out the hot tub. Did you put the yardstick in?
Yeah.
How much was it?
21 inches.
21 inches on top of the hot tub.
But the bottom 3 inches were all soaking wet.
Oh. Well, there's the yardstick there. Can you see it?
Sarah.
Yes. He can hide behind the snow on top of the hot tub. Some of our trees covered in snow. It's a lot of snow. I think they said about 30 inches. Snow on top of the light there. But I think it's finally slowing down, so that's a good thing.